Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, dedicated to the people of India to celebrate India's glorious history, culture and achievements. And this week we are taking you to the mesmerizing region of India, Jammu and Kashmir, to celebrate the spirit of Kashmir. The visuals on your screens are live. This is coming in from Srinagar's Dal Lake. This is the illumination of Dal Street. This week-long celebration is going to witness the history, culture, food and art of Jammu and Kashmir, which makes your spirit to indulge in the flavor. This celebration is happening across Srinagar, Pahalgam, Jammu and Katra. And Home Minister Amit Shah is also present at the venue. This is the live visual that we are getting from Dal Lake in Srinagar. All right, for more on this, I'm joined by Ravikant on the broadcast. Ravikant, thank you for joining us. These pictures that we are getting in from Dal Lake are mesmerizing, and this is a tribute to Jammu and Kashmir's culture, their art. What more can you tell us about the spirit of Jammu and Kashmir and preserving cultural heritage?
देखिए, इस वक्त हम डल लेक के बीचों बीच में हैं, जिस क्रूज पर केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह और एलजी मनोज सिन्हा मौजूद हैं, ठीक उसी क्रूज पर हम भी हैं। और ये जो तस्वीरें हमारे दर्शक देख पा रहे हैं, ये खूबसूरती है जम्मू कश्मीर की, विहंगम दृश्य जो एक बार देखे उसके मन को मोह ले। इस तरीके की तैयारी यहाँ पर लाइट साउंड शो आयोजित किया गया है और केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री यहाँ पर जो जम्मू कश्मीर की खूबसूरती है उसको निहारते हुए, और उन्होंने आज अपने संबोधन में साफ तौर पर कहा कि जो जम्मू कश्मीर में पर्यटन है उसको बढ़ावा देने के लिए सरकार लगातार काम कर रही है और यहाँ पर पर्यटन की असीम संभावनाएं हैं और उसको एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए जो कुछ भी सरकार कर सकती है उसको करने के लिए तैयार है और लगातार इन्वेस्टमेंट आ रहे हैं। और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि जो तस्वीरें देख रहे हैं, लाइट एंड साउंड शो और जो शिकारा रैली उन्होंने फ्लैग ऑफ किया है, ये दिखाता है कि कश्मीर में पर्यटन की असीम संभावनाएं हैं। जो लोग भी यहाँ पर आते हैं, कश्मीर की जो प्राकृतिक खूबसूरती है उनके मन को मोह लेती है और इसी लिहाज से पर्यटन को बढ़ावा देने के लिए लगातार काम किया जा रहा है। साथ ही उन्होंने कहा कि पर्यटन से ही यहाँ के जो लोग हैं उनका रोजगार जुड़ा हुआ है। जितना ज्यादा पर्यटन बढ़ेगा उतना ही ज्यादा रोजगार की संभावनाएं भी बढ़ती जाएंगी। इसलिए लोगों से ये अपील कर रहे हैं कि आइए आप जम्मू कश्मीर को देखिए, इसकी खूबसूरती को देखिए, लेकिन कुछ चंद छोटी मोटी घटनाएं होती रहती हैं, उससे घबराने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। पूरी तरीके की सिचुएशन है वो कंट्रोल में है और यहाँ सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस लगातार काम कर रही हैं और एक बार फिर धरती के स्वर्ग जिसको हम जन्नत भी कहते हैं उसको दोबारा पुनर्स्थापित करने के लिए, कश्मीर 2.0 को तैयार करने के लिए, उसके विजन को देखने के लिए 3 दिन के दौरे पर थे। और इस वक्त डल झील के बीचों बीच जो है केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री यहाँ पर जम्मू कश्मीर में जो डल झील की खूबसूरती है, यहाँ पर्यटन की जो संभावनाएं हैं।
All right, we'll try and re-establish that audio link with Ravikant, who was trying to give a sense of what is happening in Srinagar at the moment. On your screens, you can see Home Minister Amit Shah and Jammu and Kashmir's Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha. This is the Dal Lake and there's a light and sound show going on, and the government has made it very clear that now efforts will be on to revive and rejuvenate tourism in Kashmir. So this is being these visuals are coming in from Dal Lake, Srinagar. This is an iconic week to celebrate Jammu and Kashmir's spirit. This is also, these efforts are being made to prevent the cultural heritage of Kashmir. So Home Minister there on your screens with Manoj Sinha, the LG, present in Srinagar. Remember, this is a 3-day visit of Home Minister Amit Shah to the valley, where he's consistently said that the valley does not need bullets, but it needs pen. And it also said that efforts will be on to revive investment, to revive tourism in the valley. And as a mark, to mark these efforts, Home Minister Amit Shah is in Srinagar there, and there's a light and sound show in Dal Lake, and this is being branded as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which has been dedicated to the people of India to celebrate India's glorious history, cultural and other achievements. This week we are taking you to the mesmerizing region of India, that is Jammu and Kashmir, where we are celebrating the spirit of Kashmir, and this is from 23rd to 29th of October. And this week-long celebration is going to witness the history, culture, food and art of Jammu and Kashmir. So this is the latest. Our correspondent there, Ravi Kant, who was sharing the details with us that there are efforts that are being made to revive tourism, and the government is very serious about the investment climate in Srinagar, and this light and sound show which is going on in Srinagar is a message that is being sent out to the tourists, to people, that things are opening up, and that government has made tourism one of its biggest priorities for the valley. All right, so these are the visuals that we are getting from Dal Lake in Srinagar. You can see Home Minister Amit Shah there present with Manoj Sinha. This is a part of his 3-day visit to the valley. Earlier on his trip, he also inaugurated several development projects in Srinagar. So two important messages being sent out by the centre is that, one, that the government wants to revive tourism in the valley, and second, the investment climate is also a very, very big priority on the government's agenda.